So I work for Vantage Point Performance. We are an agile sales performance company, and we focus on delivering research-based training solutions to sales organizations. So we are all virtual now, right? And the market demanded that we change and become virtual. We were so used to doing everything in person, including training. So we really wanted to improve and maximize our potential when it comes to LinkedIn and when it comes to networking with buyers and prospecting. What really helped me was improving my techniques on how to network and connect virtually. I really enjoyed the tools and the examples and best practices that you provided in the training. And what I did was after each module, I went away and did something to my profile, or I went away and I had a conversation with a prospect or a buyer. So each step of the way, I did something to achieve the result I'm trying to achieve, which is generate more conversation. What I really liked about this was it provided a different way for me to look at LinkedIn and how to use it to better leverage, reaching out to customers and how to use my messaging to be more productive in generating leads. So my results have been great. The week after I finished the training, I started to increase my conversations with prospectors. I've had some leads come to me and reach out to me saying, hey, let's have some conversations. And this was based off of not only me posting on a regular basis and posting things in a unique way, but it was also the conversations that I was having through LinkedIn Navigator and through messaging. So it just generated more conversations and I'm having more qualified leads come through. It's definitely worth it. Even if you think you're good at prospecting on LinkedIn, it provides great insights and value and best practices to become that master networker. So, and in today's world, it's more important than ever to become virtual and stand out compared to the competitors.